Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a mini Bluetooth selfie stick tripod. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a mini Bluetooth selfie stick tripod from the company Asnoty. And the great thing about this Bluetooth tripod is it comes with a wireless remote that you can use to take pictures. When it's fully extended, it can go up to 30 inches. And this mini tripod is only about 133 grams, meaning that when you pack it up or put it in your backpack, it's not going to take up a lot of space or be too heavy when you move it around. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. If you guys do enjoy the video, leave a like. Know anybody who may be interested in a product like this, share this video out to them. And then lastly, if you guys want to get more specifications and details about this mini Bluetooth tripod, product information, specifications, parameters will be down below in the description for those who are trying to get more information about this mini tripod. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the packaging of this mini Bluetooth tripod is pretty, simple. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It's really compact. And there's a few specifications and details on the side of the box, which we are going to take a closer look at with a secondary camera angle. On the front of the box, it just says the company's name right here. We have a visual representation of the mini tripod itself. And on the back side, there's a few specifications and details for those who are wanting to take a look at it. But let's actually just proceed with the unboxing of this mini tripod. So basically, this is everything that's included with the packaging. We have a battery for the remote. We have our user manual right here. Let's actually take a look at the selfie stick now. And you guys can see, this is how the selfie stick itself looks like. It's really presentable, if I do say so myself. It's also very compact, meaning that you can easily take it on the go. And you guys can see it's actually fully made out of plastic, but it's really durable plastic, so do not worry about the durability, especially if you do, tend to drop it at a short distance. It's not gonna break or anything, so don't worry about that. But overall, I do like the overall build that this selfie stick has. And you guys can see I can really extend it. And I'll show you guys with the tripod legs and everything when we go over to the demo part. But you guys can see this is also a remote for the Bluetooth capabilities where we can actually take pictures with the remote and not have to actually click on the shutter button that's on our phone itself. So that's really nice that they did include that Bluetooth remote. But overall, you guys can see it's a really compact design. It has all the features you need with the tripod legs. You can extend them, you can rotate this, back and forth, and then you can also put your phone in when I show you guys in the demo part of the video, which we're gonna move to right now. All right, so let's actually get on with testing out this selfie stick. So the selfie stick itself, as I showed you guys with the unboxing part of the video, it's fairly compact. But what I like about this selfie stick is it does have these tripod legs that you can actually open up. So in order to open it up, you just kind of have to open it up like that. You guys can see, and now you have these legs that come out, and now I can easily set down. But before we can actually set this down onto the table though, you need to push this part up. And now when I set this onto the table, you guys can see the tripod legs actually hold up this selfie stick. And now let's say if I wanted to actually extend this tripod to about the 30 inches height that it can actually deliver, all I gotta do is actually pull onto the top. You guys can see it extends just like that. But let me actually collapse it. And what we're gonna do is actually attach our phone onto this plate right here, which I'm gonna show you guys with my phone. So in order to do that, all you gotta do is lift up these two little kick heads. And now let's say I actually wanna slide this into the selfie stick. All I gotta do is put my phone in and push up, just like that. You guys can see now this selfie stick is holding up my phone. And then in order to get this to actually support your phone, because right now if I let it go, the phone's gonna kind of, fall to one side. In order to tighten up, all you gotta do is tighten up this little screw that they have on the side right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. just like that. And now my phone can be held up by this selfie stick. If you're gonna use it in portrait, you just need to push your phone up a little bit and have this bracket be a little lower than where it was before. But now if I wanted to go back into landscape, you know, all I gotta do is push this back into the middle so that my phone's equal, right in the middle of this phone tripod. And like I mentioned earlier, we do also have a Bluetooth remote in the middle right here. And all you need to do is pull it out. And once you pull it out, if you click on or hold onto the button, it's gonna start flashing. And then you go over to your phone and connect to the Bluetooth. And then from there, you can actually start taking images, take pictures and stuff with this remote. And you can keep it like in your pocket and stuff so that you don't have to actually hold on to the shuttle button when you take images. So right now, what I'm gonna do is actually pretend that I'm holding this up as a selfie stick. So if I do this and pull it out, you guys can see now I have it like as if it was a traditional selfie stick. And what I could do is start vlogging like, you know, as any, you know, YouTuber or any blogger would normally vlog. And look at that. And this selfie stick is able to hold up my phone and not struggle with, you know, shaking it or if, you know, with it kind of tipping on one side. It's doing a fantastic job of actually keeping my phone in place. So if I wanted to, I could shoot vlogs and videos with this selfie stick. But you can also use it as a tripod. So it's a selfie stick, but also a tripod. That's what I really like about this selfie stick. So now we're outside. We're gonna do a quick little demonstration of this Asnoty L11 video tripod that we tested out. And what I like about it is it's a selfie stick, but it's also a tripod. So what I'm gonna do is actually slide my phone in like I showed you guys in the demonstration part of the video. I'm just gonna slide my phone into this. There we go, just like that. And focus my phone, boom. And we're gonna go into a video, click record, and we're just gonna kind of walk around. So this tripod or selfie stick doesn't have a gimbal built into it like the ones I reviewed in the past, but you know, there's still some benefits to using a selfie stick tripod without a gimbal, because you know, you don't have to charge anything up really. You don't have to worry about, you know, the gimbal or something, you know, not working. Overall, it does a fantastic job. I have full range of moving my hand around. I can easily rotate. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this Asnoty mini Bluetooth portable selfie stick tripod? What I like about it is it's portable, it's mini, it's compact, I can easily take it on the go, and there's many different ways I can actually utilize this selfie stick tripod. You know, not only is it a selfie stick, it's also a tripod. So if I wanted to, I can use it like a selfie stick, like I showed you guys with the demo part of the video, where I can kind of have my phone onto the phone clip part, and kind of use this as a selfie stick, or if I wanted to, I can use it as a tripod depending on the situation. But with that being said, we are going to conclude the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and if you know anybody who may be interested in this product, make sure you share this video out to them so they can get more specifications and details about this selfie stick. And then also, if you're a business owner or a company owner wanting to work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me. Or if you need any photo assistance with this product, you guys can do so by contacting me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you want to get more details about this product, specifications, parameters, all the, you know, technical stuff, product information will be down below in the description alongside with the product link if you're interested in actually purchasing this exact model that we reviewed today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.